And Eric, let's start here. What's going on right behind us? This memorial at 10th and K continues to grow in its third night. And even as we mentioned, all these nights later, people continue to come out to pay their respects, trying to come to grips with exactly what happened on Sunday morning. As for DeAndre Martin's court appearance today, it was brief. And he is only facing that one charge at the moment of being a felon in possession of a firearm. One of Sunday's mass shooting suspects, DeAndre Martin, wearing an orange jumpsuit and a face mask in court Tuesday. That mask hiding any facial expressions, any glimpse into his mind and soul. He uttered only one word, a simple yes, when asked by the judge to confirm his name. Martin's defense attorney requesting the arraignment be continued so she could review evidence.
So we need to get the police reports, see what the evidence is, to figure out what to do and how to properly handle the cases.
A question some may be wondering tonight as Martin sits behind bars here at the Sacramento County Main Jail is why is he only facing one charge for illegally possessing a firearm, especially after Sacramento police told us this today.
DeAndre Martin was one of the shooters. He was arrested on one of those charges of assault with a firearm.
We asked Jonathan Stein, an Elk Grove-based defense attorney with no connection to the case, to clarify.
District attorney's only going to charge crimes that they think they can prove. And then as the investigation continues, they will amend the complaint.
With so much potential evidence to pour through, including more than 100 shell casings and nearly 200 photos and videos from the public, Stein believes it could be weeks, if not longer, before Martin is charged with additional crimes, such as manslaughter or murder.
This is one of the more complicated scenes the police are going to investigate. They have to figure out who was shot by whom, which victims were shot by which suspects, and take all of the cell phone videos, all of the videos from the businesses in the area, all of the witness identifications, and put that all into one complete story. So this is an extremely complicated case for them.
You were looking live at some flowers placed at this memorial. Those were not here last night, nor too were many of the pictures of the victims in the shooting on Sunday. The candles, though, were here, but there are more of them now than there were before. Martin will remain behind bars until his next court appearance, which is scheduled for about 3 weeks from now. We are live in downtown Sacramento tonight. I'm Eric Rucker, Fox 40 News.